Therefore, the center line is a straight line like this. And of course, you know, now it disappears here in between the leg, we don't see it. But the center line of gravity instead is a line that goes through the center of the body, go inside, and is straight, no matter what, it's straight. So it starts from the highest point. As we have seen, the highest point start from not the center of the head, not the middle of the head, but a little bit posterior to that. So half the head behind from the front of the head, I have the highest point. That's where the center line of gravity starts. The center line of gravity, what it does, it's always straight. Doesn't matter what I do. If I'm standing straight, right, the center line is down like this, divides me in half. But if I do this, right, the center line does this. It's straight. It's the gravity that pulls down. So it can help me to see what kind of angle I have in relation to, or my model has in relation to the center line of gravity. Except